guys, how are you? I hope you're all doing good. Guess what I'm cooking for you today? Mukimo. I don't know what's Mukimo in English, but you're gonna teach me, yeah? So today I'm cooking for you Mukimo. And guys, before I proceed, I want to thank all my returning subscribers, and I also want to thank my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. Watch, like, and share my videos, and I hope you learn how to cook with me. I hope you enjoy how to cook with me as well. So guys, I'm going to show you the whole process of cooking Mukimo. It's a combination of maize, potatoes, Irish potatoes, and pumpkin leaves. Just combine it, and we only use onions. So I'm going to show you the whole procedure. Welcome. Bye. Our mashed potatoes are ready. Yeah, and here we have some hoho and dania for our meat stew. Yeah, it's being mashed. They're being prepared to cook Mukimo. And then, after mashing the potatoes, you add our maize, the boiled maize. Yeah. So as you can see, so you mix them thoroughly, the maize and the potatoes. And then we're also blending our, how do we call sosa? How do we call sosa? Kahoriro. Okay, in Kikuyu, I don't know, the pumpkin leaves actually. So we are blending the pumpkin leaves. We will also be blending and mixing with the combination of potatoes and maize. And then we'll be able to see our end product shortly. And then guys, these are our pumpkin leaves. I'm told that the Kikuyus call it kahororo, and then us Kisis we call it masosa. Okay, I was not supposed to tell you my tribe anyway. Masosa. So these are pumpkin leaves. We're going to blend them. We're going to blend, and we're going to mix them in our potatoes here. You can be able to see the combination of our potatoes and maize. And I'm also going to show you how I'm going to blend the pumpkin leaves and then combine it here. Then you'll be able to see the end product now, the Mukimo. I don't know how we call Mukimo in English, but I'm going to do my research. The blend. So guys, we are blending our pumpkin leaves. So guys, we are going to add that mixture in our Mukimo, the mixture of blended pumpkins. We're going to add it in the previous combination of maize and potatoes. We have added the blended pumpkin leaves. You can even see the transition. The color is even changing.
It is a mixture of
and this is our blended pumpkin leaves. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, we are adding as we mix at the same time. You can be able to see the drastic change in color without even using any food color at all. We have only used the blended pumpkin leaves. Very natural, guys. Ooh. Ooh. The results are as expected. So guys, you make sure you mix it thoroughly until all of them are mixed and the color is absorbed. No additives, no preservatives, no nothing. So guys, our mukimo is ready and we're going to enjoy it with some meat stew. The meat stew is in the jiko. We decided to use the jiko because we had boiled the maize using our jiko here. Can you be able to see the jiko? Yeah, that's our meat stew. Our beef stew is boiling. Yeah, and then this is our mukimo. So we are going to eat meat stew and mukimo. This is the maize that just remained, but we're going to use it maybe some other time because we didn't want it to be extra. Yeah, so the mukimo is ready and we're going to enjoy it. Enjoy, guys. I hope you've learned how to cook mukimo, and I hope you've learned how to cook meat stew. In our previous videos, in my previous videos, I've already made some videos of beef stew, mutton stew, and others. So for mukimo, this is the first time I'm making a video, but I've been cooking mukimo for some time now. Yeah, so our mukimo is ready, guys. Enjoy and have fun, and please. Below the jiko we were also burning some maize. Tuko tunachoma kama hindi hapa. Yeah, our meat is boiling. I had already fried it, so it's boiling. Yeah, we are going. It is our meat, the meat stew that we are going to eat with our mukimo. So our kamahindi here inaiva. It's so sweet, very sweet. So as our meat boils, we're waiting for the mukimo to. Guys, guess what? Our mukimo and meat stew is ready, and I'm going to taste for you and tell you how it feels. Guys, this is the best meal ever. You will thank me later. Bye, and till next time.